How to remove last name on Facebook. Well, hello everybody, welcome back into the channel. Let me go it through quick and easy and how you can remove your last name on Facebook. But to remove your last name on Facebook, you must go through the Meta Account Center via the Facebook app or the desktop. So open up Facebook app, or you can do it on facebook.com and head over to the menu icon and head into settings and privacy. Under it, head into settings. Once on the settings, you'll get the account center page. You want to tap on it, the option, and then on the account center page, head into the profiles section. Once under profiles, not profiles, head into personal details, and once under personal details, you'll get your contact influencer. Once under profile, tap on the particular account that you would like to remove the last name for, head into name, and now you can proceed to remove your last name here, and then you can proceed to tap on done. Now, however, as you can see, if I do not add in any last name, then I won't be able to review the change. But for example, I'll just change my name here and I'll tap on next, and it'll ask me to either enter in middle name or last name. I can enter in middle name here and I'll tap on next, and you can see I have to add in last name. If I don't add my last name, I won't be able to review the change. So you won't be able to review the last name, unfortunately. But what you can do is, for instance, if here, so I want to type in my name as Messian, right? M-E-S-S-I-A-N. So what I can do is I can type in this way, M-A-S-S, sorry, here, this will be in the top, and I and A-N. So this way I can type it in as well, and I can review the change and type it. So this is one of the ways that you can remove the last name on Facebook. Hope this video helped. Do like and subscribe.